The press service for Rostec has announced that the production phase of the SU-75 Checkmate light single-engine fighter program is about to begin. For this stage, all the required preparations have already been started. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Before we start, like today's video and subscribe to our channel. Leading these preparations is United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, which plans to begin producing the first prototypes of the Checkmate fighter. The manufacturing plant has received the project's documentation in due course. As part of the preparations, a few minor design changes have been made in response to requests from prospective customers. According to RIA Novosti, a Russian media outlet, a press release from Rostec stated that modifications were made to the project in light of the work undertaken. The first flight's timeline has been affected by these modifications. The project's documentation has currently been sent to the manufacturing facility, opening the door for the first samples to be produced. Prototypes of the aircraft are anticipated to appear in 2024 to 2025, with a pilot batch following in 2026, as previously revealed by UAC. This new fighter aircraft is expected to be delivered in batches starting in 2026 or 2027. Impressive specs for the SU-75 Checkmate include a 3,000-kilometer flight range, a maximum speed of 2 Mach, and a combat load of 4,000 kg. The aircraft is outfitted with a 360-degree optical and radio reconnaissance system, an optical sighting system, an internal electronic jamming system, an active electronically scanned array, ASA, radar, and a broad-range communication system. At the MAKS 2021 Airshow, Russia unveiled its stunning new fifth-generation Checkmate single-engine fighter. The Russian aerospace forces and foreign clients are the targets of the aircraft's painstakingly customized design. The design, which was initially created with an open architecture, enables extensive customization depending on specific orders. If Russia's Su-75 goes into mass production, it may provide many countries with their first stealth fighter of the fifth generation, according to conjecture in an American e-magazine. But this article disputes Russia's assertion that the Su-75's capabilities can directly rival those of the US F-35 Lightning II fighter, calling such assertions overblown and utterly misleading. While the Su-75 could prove to be an impressive aircraft and a cost-effective alternative to the F-35, it simply cannot replace it. Additional data indicates that the Russian aircraft manufacturer is also working on an unmanned fighter variant. Theoretically, testing the crewed version will coincide with the development of the unmanned version. What do you think of the SU-75? Can it compete with F-35? Is it a cheap alternative? Write your comment below. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.